Welcome, welcome, welcome. Guess what time it is? Well, it's time for more adding and subtracting decimals. So, let's get started with our first word problem. Actually, our only word problem. Hey, here we go. First word problem and only word problem. Let's jump into it. Last month, Jim drove his car 2,718 and 3/10 miles. That brought the car's total mileage to 87,416. What was the car's total mileage before last month? Oh, okay, this is not that bad. I know that this is what he drove last month. He drove, just circle that maybe a little bit lower. There you go. That's what he drove last month, 2,718 and 3/10 miles. And he ended up with 87,416 miles. That's a total, right? Total miles he ended up with. I need to know how much it was last month. Well, I have to subtract or reduce this by the amount of miles he drove last month, which is, there's a subtract right there. Last month he drove 2,718 miles. Oh, here's a problem. He also drove this extra little 3/10 mile. So what do I do up here? Just up here, there's nothing there. Well, I know that if I have a decimal on the bottom, I can put a decimal on the top to line those up. And since there's nothing in the tenths here, I can just put a 0 to make it easier for me to subtract. I'll go one more further and tell you that there's no way you can subtract 3 from 0. So I'm going to have to regroup from the whole numbers and make this into a 10. And that's all I'll do. The rest is on you. Good luck. And you can post your answers in the comments below.